Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to the channel. So recently most of us are shopping online due to COVID-19 restrictions. At this point, Amazon would be one of the go-to places as you would get the competitive price for the product with the safety of not leaving your home. However, that's not always the case though. Choosing the right time is as important as where you buy the product. I'm sure many of you buy a lot of stuff on Amazon every year, and when you look at the deal like this, you think this is a great deal and you should buy it straight away, otherwise you will lose out on the money if the item will go back on the original price and you still have to buy it. Or it could be other way around where you would buy the stuff for full price and see the same item on the sale within a few weeks. So today I'll be looking at the application called Keepa, which is a price tracker for products sold on Amazon, and many people also use it for Amazon FBA. Keepa doesn't only track the price of a product, but also notifies you when the price goes down, the threshold you have set for the product. So to determine, we'll take the hard drive I have searched earlier on as an example. So how will we know what's the best price and best time to buy the product you're looking for? So here Keepa can help us with that. You can use Keepa in few different ways. Either you can use it from the browser extension, which I will show you now, or via the website, which we'll take a look at the end of this video. Or you can also use your mobile application. However, personally, I feel extension is very easy and the best way to get the information needed. So here you can scroll down on the product page and you can see the extension initiated where the history of the product is shown. This extension is very powerful as it gives you so many data points. For example, as you can see here, I've chosen the data from Amazon and new items only with lightning deals, as I'm not interested in used items. So makes the chart just looks much more cleaner and readable. However, you can still use the used product history if you're interested in it. Here on this side, you can see some of the data points have a lock in front of them. That's because it's a premium feature and not available for free. You can also choose to get a premium feature, but you will have to pay €15 monthly. However, for most of our use, the free version works just fine, so there's no need to get premium version and spend money on it. It also has this good feature which allows for a close-up view, which I think is great as price fluctuation is more visible in this way. Next we can also see the range, which show us the price history for a 3 month, a month, for a year, and all, where all is since this product started to sell on this Amazon page. However, I would recommend not to use for more than a year, as deal might not be that relevant, and best is to choose the most recent chart, for example 3 months. That would give you a much better indication of the price. At the bottom of the chart, you can see the same product for sale in different countries. So here on the top is the continent, and below each continent there are countries with the current prices. So for American market there is the USA and Canada. For European market there is the UK, Germany, France, Italy and Spain. And for the Asian market there is Japan. So as you can see, it's very easy to compare and know what's the best price around the globe. You can even click on the prices here. It will take you straight to the product page of that country. So if we convert that pounds to euros, you can see the price is very close to what is displayed on the app. So it's pretty reliable. Furthermore, you can see how many people are currently tracking this product with their average desired price. Statistics page shows the lowest, current, highest and average price within the 3 and 6 months period. So you can see it's a very powerful tool to determine if the current deal is really a deal or just a normal price the product is selling on Amazon. Next we can see the page here for track the product. On this page you can set a desired price for the product. For Amazon and new or used items sold, you can also choose how long you want to track this item for. Default is for a year, so you will get the price drop notification for a year. Only if the prices goes below your desired price set. If the price goes up and down and but still stay above your desired price, you won't get an email for that. So that was how the extension looks. Now let's switch over to the website. So the website interface looks like this. If you've logged in with your email, it shows you how many products you have been tracking. Products by categories, so baby products, computer related, DIY, electronics, and photo related, and many more. Here you can see how many items have reached the desired price at the current moment, so you can filter them out pretty quick. Below this you can see the products I have for monitoring. So camera, a couple of robot vacuum cleaner, hard drive. So I can see all the products I have been monitoring, and interface pretty much looks the same as we have seen on the extension. For example, a price history, tracking monitor with the desired price, and also if you want to update the desired price, on the side the same option what we have covered earlier on. Lastly, you can see their deal section where they show the recent deals on Amazon. You can either choose all or by categories. So everyone, thank you for your time, and if you like this video and found some value to yourself, please do subscribe to the channel and hit that like button, and hope to see you again next time. Thank you.